Here's another work from home job na magiging in demand this 2026. Tawag dito AI Chatbot Builder. Alistair here. Akala mo kailangan maging programmer para makabuild ka ng chatbots? Hindi na ngayon. Kahit ikaw na walang coding background, pwede ka na rin gumawa. So ano ba talaga yung mga chatbots? Nakikita nyo na to. Kahit yung mga messenger natin, merong chatbot. Kahit yung mga website, di ba, may mga chatbot yan. And yung pinakang concierge, yung mga basic questions na sasagot na yan. Obviously, may mga voice chatbots na rin. Ang pinag-usapan natin dito yung mga text chatbot. Isa ito sa pinang-effective na pang-capture ng leads sa mga websites or even sa social media. Kasi nakakatulong siya sa mga businesses para kahit walang available na real person, may sumasagot pero ang feel niya para rin siyang tunay na tao. So ilan sa mga no-code na chatbot builder ay yung ManyChat, Chatbase, at meron din yung HubSpot. No coding required, drag and drop yung functionalities nito. So to get started, go to the website, HubSpot, ManyChat, Chatbase, or just type in AI chatbot on Google and you'll find all these different tools. Tapos, syempre, importante, with any type of jobs na gusto mo, you have to practice. Start building. Importante dito is yung customer service knowledge. So if you came from a customer service background, CSR, mga call centers, then you'll be a good candidate for this kind of job. And of course, pwedeng-pwede rin to sa beginner. So bakit kailangan ito ng mga businesses? Kasi they'll save up to 40% manpower kapag meron kang maayos na chatbot. It adds professionalism and instant support for their business. So some of the top industries na kailangan ito is real estate, e-commerce, and professional services. So how to get started? Learn the tools, create ka ng sample, and post it on LinkedIn, isa yung social media, and there's a good potential that someone will see this. And you can also put this on a resume. A lot of companies and recruiters will be looking for this skill set. If you want to learn more, make sure to like this video, comment chatbot, and let's talk about it. So I hope this helps. See you in the next one. Bye.